Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2730th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, let's get ready. Trading is risky, risky, risky. Put your stops in first. Never trade any vehicle without putting in your stops. All right, so for trading on Thursday, April 4th, 2024, in last night's video, I showed you this bull flag and said we don't know if it's a bull flag or not yet. The jury is still out. That was as of last night. Well, tonight, Wednesday night, the jury is still out, and it looks more like NASDAQ did ease into a bull flag here and maybe is holding the bottom of the channel. Now, there's a lot of reasoning with crude being expensive and bonds going down, which makes interest rates up. There's a lot of reasoning to think that these markets should go down, but I don't fight the OMNI. OMNI went neutral. Bull flag takes precedent. It looks like it may be holding, but the jury is still out. We will find out by Thursday's close. With the question in last night's video is this a bull flag? Will it hold? Or is there trend line failure coming? This bar does not exist last night. This bar does not exist last night. Here's where we stood. Well, so far, let's get rid of tonight. This is just the last hour that just opened up of trading, right? The market just opened. It's only 7 o'clock. Opened at 6 p.m. Eastern. So that little bar goes away. This is where it was as of the close today, Wednesday. All right. So the OMNI went neutral. Put the brakes on, kids. No more selling. The OMNI said stop selling. You did a good job today. We had a very good day trading in NASDAQ, Russell, S&P. We had some corn on. We also did a crude trade. We did really well, but the OMNI said to stop trading in E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell, and look for an look for a neutral for the day. So we're putting the brakes on selling, no more selling. Maybe the flag will start to pan out. The channel is pretty strong if you look at it, right? Channel's pretty strong there, that bottom line. So maybe, just maybe, with tonight's bar already opening, maybe it's going to get above that channel. Who knows? Let's go look at something else that might convince us that maybe somehow it'll hold. Look at where we are on the weekly NASDAQ, sitting right there on that trend line. Looks like that may hold. I'm sorry, sitting right on this trend line right here, and it looks like that may hold. Let's blow that up a little bit. All right, so NASDAQ's got a chance of gaining its legs and whatever. Maybe crude's got to go higher to knock it down. We'll play this one day at a time. What else is out there for us? For you traders that like gold, take a look at this. I believe right here is a gold chart. Gold used to, if you remember not too long ago, gold used to do things like go in this direction. Not anymore, right? With the red channel now, look at it in this green channel, and it is running, and the OMNI is bright green for trading tonight into tomorrow, Wednesday night to Thursday for trading gold. One of the things that I think keeps gold buoyant is this. Remember a few days ago I showed you this chart? We talked about it last week when it was underneath here. Then the day it got above, I showed it to you, and look, it made a big rally, but look what's happened in the last 2 days right here. It's starting to fall back, and if dollar is dropping, it helps a market like gold stay buoyant. I'm sorry, gold was sitting on chart 18. It makes a market like gold stay buoyant. So with this in front of us, gold looks like it's probably going to continue to be a buyer of dips. Traders, I wanted to make sure you knew that we went from being bearish on Wednesday to neutral Wednesday night for Thursday in the E-mini S&P NASDAQ Russell, and we would be buyers of dips if you were trading in the gold and maybe even silver. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, if you don't mind, please like, share, and subscribe to these videos. It really helps the algorithms, so make sure you do that for me. Other people will see the good work we do here, and hopefully we can help them too. Remember that the jury is still out on NASDAQ, whether it's going to break down or will the bull flag work. So give it another day. And remember to do one last thing, which is quite important, is say this to yourselves over and over again, because I know it will help. 1, 2, 3. Stop sore in. Emotions are rock and roll traders. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.